It's apt today. I'm actually at Langford in the Rhondda, and I just wanted to do a little video of anger. I've lived in Wales most of my life, and this is what Wales is about. It's a ruin. It's a thing of the past. It's neglected and lost. And every day I'm seeing things in the media. You know, we're going to have nuclear mud dumped off the Vale Glamorgan coastline, Penarth and Barry, and it's been proven that that nuclear mud from Hinckley being moved from Burnham upon Sea has caused a massive increase in deaths at Burnham on Sea, and people are dying from cancer, and they're just moving the mud to Wales. Is it me, or the people in Westminster absolutely hate the people in Wales? They seem to think that we should fight for something, and then they hate us so much, they treat us in the way that they do. Every single week, as I've said, there's something more, there's a new challenge, with our heritage being destroyed, with roads going through it. You just start to think that we're being eroded as a people. You know, we're expected to love our government and to serve our government, for our soldiers to die in battle for a cause, then for them, many of the veterans to come out to be neglected. You know, I see life living in this wonderful land of ours, Wales, or I'd like to call it Cymru. I see life as either hard or easy, or a landscape that is fairly competitive, and there's a lot of hate out there. You try to do something and you're being undermined, whether it's by your own people or whether it's by a government that seems to be very neglective of people's needs. I get very angry with that. Back into this church graveyard, beautiful yew tree, a statement of something very old, very cherished in our landscape. Maybe this is a video rambling, but I'm so angry that we've got a government that seems to absolutely hate us, not only in Westminster, but a government in Wales through the Assembly that seems to hate us, doesn't seem to care for us. It seems to use us as chess pieces, to continually raise taxes, to stop businesses being businesses. If you're a business in Wales, you've got to pay this in a tax, you've got to do this insurance, and you've got to do all these different checks, and it's becoming impossible to be anybody, really. Try and be an entrepreneur, it's difficult. To be in business, you don't know if you've got to be in business is really difficult, but if you're self-employed, employed, there's different hurdles all the time. And I'm seeing that even people with disability, you know, being something that should be cared about is something that if you've got a disability, you're discriminated against, whether it's physical or mental. We're supposed to be living in an enterprising world. There's various levels of racism, but that's another day. And a sneeze. So, back to where I am at Langford Church. Stop this recording now. I'm going to keep looking for Guido Brand's grave, a wonderful runner that stood for what Wales could have been and isn't anymore. So more videos about this again. Thank you.